बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा टॉपिक है सिमेंटिक्स। ठीक है, सिमेंटिक्स फंक्शन इंग्लिश का, एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक ऑफ द फंक्शन इंग्लिश। ओके, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। सिमेंटिक्स बेसिकली होता क्या है? द सिमेंटिक्स इज द वर्ड विच ड्राइव फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड विच मीन्स टू द सिग्निफिकेंट। ओके, सिग्निफिकेंट। द सिमेंटिक्स इज द सब पार्ट ऑफ अ लैंग्वेज। सिमेंटिक्स क्या होती है? सब पार्ट ऑफ अ लैंग्वेज की होती है। सिमेंटिक्स इज द डील्स विद द जनरल रूल्स ऑफ द लैंग्वेज। जो भी जनरल रूल्स लैंग्वेज के होते हैं, सिमेंटिक्स क्या उससे डील्स करती है। सिमेंटिक्स इज द रिफर्स टू द मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ड्स इन द लैंग्वेज, मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस। सिमेंटिक्स इज द जस्ट मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड्स, vocab and the each part of the language. As I am talking about the semantics, you may just understand the semantics is the meaning of words in the language. It deals with the each part of a language. Okay, the semantics is the basically meaning of a words in the language, meaning of a sentence. It deals with the all the grammar rules. Okay, the semantics is deals with the general rules of the language. The semantics is the study of a meaning. As we in our daily life we find painting, music, life, something that is belong to the semantics. The semantics is the study of the meaning in a language. As these are the language: Spanish, Arabic, English. These are language as we use, and we can spoke in this language in our daily life, and we can study this language individually easily. Now the language, what is the differentiate between the language which is in small letter and which is in capital letter? The language which is a small letter, it indicates the few language. Okay, the language which is in small letter, it indicates the few languages, and as we use in our daily life, we speak these kind of a language, English, Arabic, etc. something. These are language. Okay, the language which is in a capital letter, the language which is capital letter, it indicates the huge languages. Okay, the real meaning of a language, the real meaning of a language is the principle of a human language. The real meaning of a language is the principle of a human language. I hope you have understood that. As I am talking about the semantics, I have told you about the semantics is just deal with the general rules of the language. Okay, it is a sub part of a language. Semantics is the study of a meaning in a human language. Okay, the semantics is the study of a meaning in the human language. Now we will go deeply about the language and what is the characteristic about the language. As now the language, there are three basic component of a language. First is the sounds. Okay, sound, and second is a form, and third is a meaning. Third is the meaning. Okay, these are the basic components of the language. If we, now I am talking about the sounds. The study about the branch of a linguistic which study about the sounds, and that is called the phonology. Phonology. Okay, or we can also say phonetics. Okay, the branch of a linguistic which study about the sounds, that is called the phonology or the phonetics. I hope you have understood. the sounds. Now the form. Now we have a sounds. Okay, now we can form them in the complete certain form. We have sounds, that is a part of a language. Okay, the sounds is the part of a language. As I have told you about, there are three basic component of a language: sounds, form, and meaning. The sound, the I have told you about the definition, that is a branch of a linguistic which is study about the sounds, that is called the phonology or the phonetics. Now we have sounds. Now we may form them in the complete certain way, as we will first form the words. Okay, as we will first form the words, words, phrases, clauses, okay. Now the form. Now the firstly the words, I have told you about the form. The firstly we will have a form, the words, and after that the phrases, and later the classes. These are the parts of the language. As I'm talking about, the firstly we will form the words, and after that phrases, and later we will form the classes. The form combined together form the words. Okay, the words combined together form the phrases, and phrases combined together form the clauses. These are the basic and the component of the language. Okay, if we study about the part of a language, they study about the part of a language, that is called the morphology. Okay, it deals with the words. They study about the part of a language, that is called morphology. Morphology. Okay, the study about the part of a language, that is called morphology, and study about the phrases and the clauses, that is called study about the phrases and the clauses, that is called syntax. Okay, that is called the syntax. Syntax. The study about the part of a language, that is called the morphology. The study about phrases and clauses, that is called the syntax. As I have told you about the sounds, the branch of a linguistics which study about the sounds, that is called the phonology or the and phonetics. Okay, now the meaning, what is the actual meaning, and how we have, as I have told you about the semantics. Okay, the meaning means to the study about the two languages. Okay, the meaning means to study about the two languages. Meaning means to the study about two language. The two language, that is called the semantics and the pragmatics. Okay, basically you may keep in your mind one thing, that the meaning means to the study about the two language. It is a sub part of a language. It deals with the rule and the regulation of the language. I hope you have understood the meaning. Now the sounds, as I have told you before, that the branch of a linguistic which we study about the sounds, that is called the phonology or the syntax. Now the form. The words combined together form the phrases, and phrases combined together form the classes. The study about the part of the language, which we the study about the language, that is called the morphology. Okay, the phrase, when we study about the phrases and clauses, that is called the syntax. I hope you have understood whatever I have told you about the language. These are the basic part of a language. Okay, now we will talk about the grammar. What is a grammar? Basically, बेसिकली ग्रामर क्या होती है? ग्रामर हम उसे कहते हैं द रूल्स और द रेगुलेशन ऑफ द लैंग्वेज. ओके, द ईच part of the language is called the grammar. Each single part of the language is called the grammar. The which kind of the part of the language, like sounds, words, syllabus, okay, syllabus and morphemes, okay, sentences, clauses, sentences, morphemes, and syllabus, words. These are the sub part of a grammar. And if you study about basically the grammar, each part of the language, okay, that is called grammar. Okay, each single part of a language is called the grammar. These are the part. There are so many part of a language, and as I have told you about the grammar, these are the basically part of the grammar. I hope you have understood the grammar, the rules and the regulation, that is called the grammar, and each single part of a language is called the grammar. And if you get any kind of a problem related to that, you may come into the comment section. Inshallah, I will try my level best to make you clear about it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.